John Crestani's Super Affiliate System Review. What is a Super Affiliate System course? Super Affiliate System, or also known as SAS, is a 6-week course that contains step-by-step courses that will help you make your home-based business as profitable as possible. Moreover, it is a form of robust course that comes with tons of extra things that is going to help you make a widely profitable home-based business. John Crestani's Super Affiliate System primarily focuses on ClickBank-related products. Now, ClickBank is a huge library of various digital products in different niches, from business opportunities to health and fitness. They have it all. Marketers are earning around $100,000 per month by using these techniques. Another notable thing about ClickBank is that they won't require you to apply for an affiliate link. Unlike in other platforms like JVZoo and Warrior Plus, wherein you will be required to apply in order to promote. On the other hand, ClickBank is perhaps the most beginner-friendly since it's very easy to work on. As a matter of fact, you can even withdraw to your local bank account directly, even if you don't own a PayPal account. The cost of a super affiliate system is around. You might be thinking that it's really expensive, but this is more or less half the price of most high-ticket products. And not to mention, you can get more out of this course without hurting your wallet, since it provides learning materials that will teach you how to make money on JVZoo, Warrior Plus and ClickBank, unlike with high-ticket products who are only limited to JVZoo and Warrior Plus. Things to expect in the SAS course. What you'll be expecting for this course are the following. Number 1. Learn the skill of copywriting. Number 2. Data analyzation for your website. Number 3. Right entrepreneur mindset. Number 4. Proper process of research. Number 5. Setting up and creating ads. They have a 100% money-back guarantee if the course didn't work for you. The course and modules. This course is set up in a 6-week basis. The lessons were broken down into weekly chunks. So, technically it is like applying in a university course where you will learn all these good stuff about online marketing. You will also have some tasks and goals to accomplish each week. Each of the 6 modules contains various videos. All in all, it is a 50-hour worth of course which he discusses everything. Week 1, Module 1, Setting up the System. Basically, this module teaches you how to set up your own business website, as well as making sure that all the essentials are ready. As mentioned earlier, this course is very beginner-friendly. So, newbies can feel free to extend this first module up to the next following week, in order to make sure that the fundamental information is properly instilled. Week 2, Module 2, Understanding the System. For the second week of this course, you will understand the critical and important techniques of researching before you invest your money in certain business endeavors. This part of the course program is very crucial since the overall success rate of your business lies here. Week 3, Module 3, Marketing Skills. Now that you've learned all the fundamental principles and you already have your own website with corresponding affiliate links, in the third week module, you will be taught how to reach your target audience. John presents here his very own copywriting formula that will help you attract more customers, with the intention of purchase. For this part of the module, you will start earning actual money for your website. Week 4, Module 4, Google and Facebook Advertisements. You are now halfway through this course, and in this part, you will be learning how to invest your money on the 2 major advertising platforms, Google and Facebook. Through this, you will massively boost your website's traffic and income by reaching a wider range of audience. Case studies and metrics are also included in this section, in order to guide you in these platforms. Week 5, Module 5, Native Advertisements and YouTube Advertisements. In the second to the last week of this course program, you will learn to explore different advertising platforms aside from Google and Facebook ads. While you can already generate a huge amount of profit with the 2 platforms, you can bring more income through native ads and YouTube ads. This module is packed with tips and instructions that will help you manage your campaign advertisements properly. Week 6, Module 6, Automation and Scaling. For the last week of this module, you will learn how to achieve a 6-figure income per month with the help of your marketing campaigns. Now that you've successfully reached the last part of this course program, you should utilize all the principles that you've learned since week 1, in order to have a steady and profitable home-based business. Bonus resources. After the 6-week course program of learning, John also provides you with some bonus useful resources that will help you improve your marketing skills as an online entrepreneur. These resources will come in handy, and will help you uncover more opportunities and expand your business website. Here are the bonus resources: pre-sale pages, targeted data, ad swipes, webinars. Pros and cons of SaaS. Pros: step-by-step guided all throughout the course, high success rate and money-back guarantee, beginner-friendly and ideal for newbie entrepreneurs, contains landing pages, affiliated campaigns and pre-designed templates. Cons: a bit too focused on sales, customer support is average, costly, but definitely worth the penny. In conclusion, to sum it all up, Super Affiliate System (SaaS) is a 6-week course that will help you achieve success at the comfort of your home. As you reach this part of the article, you might still be a little bit of skeptical about the success of this course. But believe it or not, SaaS course takers are enjoying a great amount of success, including the newbie entrepreneurs. In fact, more and more people are posting their testimonials on Facebook showing their daily and weekly sales snapshot by implementing the techniques in this module. John's Super Affiliate System course program is definitely worth your time and money. It is even considered as one of the most preferred training wheel for online marketing that you'll be able to find online. Although this course may not be perfect, it is an incredible startup guide for your profitable and long-term home-based business. I recommend the course because it's helped me grow my online business. Click the link in the description when you're ready to start your 6-figure online business. John Crestani is hosting a free webinar, so click the link when ready to begin.